As we move up the levels, the data we collect becomes more focused on the organization and less focused on the individual learners. The fourth level is results, a measure of how the training program impacted the organization. Did the program produce the expected results? Did it increase sales, and by how much? Did it reduce errors, and by how much? Some other examples include increased productivity, increased quality, better customer service, decreased costs, and decreased turnover. Ideally, we gather this information from the organization using big data, a concept we'll cover in the next module. Personnel files, historical records, and training technology can also provide valuable information. This is where Kirkpatrick's model stops, and the next level is where Philip's contribution begins.